Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I got something super easy, very quick, very beginners friendly, and anyone can do this hairstyle. I'm going back old school, y'all. When I say old school, I'm just going back and I'm putting my hair in this just a high puff. If it's not really considered a high puff, it could just be a puff in the back of my head. So I went off and started by moisturizing my hair by adding some spray water that I had conditioner, extra virgin olive oil in it, and Cantu shea butter. Put that in the hair, and I'm going in with my DIY hair growth oil that I created. If you haven't seen that video is also over on my channel. Y'all can go back over there and watch that. And I'm just adding more moisture to my hair, y'all. I'm going in with also this DIY Blue Magic hair growth serum that I created. And I'm going in with my go-to Eco Styler with coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil infused in the gel. So let's get all of these moisturizing ingredients in our hair, and we're going to get to molding this puff. All right, so next up, I'm going in with the Jamaican black castor oil, and this is infused with biotin, and we're just going to put these right on our edges. Our edges are our problem areas, y'all. We're struggling, but we are coming along slowly but surely. If you could zoom in on this, or stop your camera right there, you guys can see that my hair is starting to fill in. It has been doing so good since I did my big chop back in November of last year. If y'all haven't seen the big chop video, please go back over to my channel and watch my big chop video. But at this point, when you put the biotin in, go ahead and give that a quick massage for a few minutes to make sure that oil goes down into the scalp and penetrates those hair follicles. All right, so because we are alopecia friendly, we are sectioning off a portion of our hair in front. That way we can feel confident and we can cover up our edges. All right, so go ahead and grab y'all some of that Eco Styler and just go around the perimeter of your puff and make sure that thing is going to be sleek and slick. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead and put some on those edges, because we are not just going to lay those down. We're going to curl those as well and give them like an activated curl look to match the back of our puff. Go in with your go-to getter pick. You want to pick out any kinks, knots, bumps, whatever you got, tangles in your puff, to make sure everything is good. Go all the way around your head. Keep combing until you have detangled your whole entire head, and then we're going to go right into creating this high puff. All right, so add some more of that Eco Styler to the back of the nape. We want to kind of slick this up. Just give it a nice little sleek feel, so when we put our hair tie or our head wrap on, you know, those BBs in that kitchen won't still be cooking. So you want to go ahead and lay that out. So just taking your comb. Now right now I'm using a comb, y'all, but y'all could have been using a brush. Y'all could have been using just whatever y'all want to use. I see a lot of girls using brushes to slick up their puff, but you know, I'm trying to eliminate the breakage, so I just used the comb. All right, so this material is not really a scarf. This is a bodycon spandex dress that I cut. The pattern was very loud for it to just be a dress, so I cut this into a, you know, little material that I was going to wrap around my head. Didn't want to throw it away. I figured I can do something with it, so this is what I came up with, and I turned it into a head tie. All right, so I'm just putting that at the very back of the nape. I did pull out my ears because your girl like to hear everything. And we're going to put that right behind the portion of hair that we sectioned off to cover up our alopecia edges. And we're just going to crisscross our hair tie at the top of the head, twisting it one time. And you want to open up the material and kind of lay it flat around the edges or the perimeter of the head. We're not going to go and tie it in the back. Do not tie it. What I'm going to do is overlap the flaps and put one flap under, pulling it kind of taut so it don't pop loose, and then we're just laying the other flap across there, stretching it, and then we're going to get a piece of this material, and then we're going to go ahead and tuck that flap. And you do not want to pull this material so tight that you're going to create yourself, you know, you're going to give yourself a headache. That's just what you don't want to do. All right, so going back in with the pick, we are just now at the portion of this style where you want to try to shape your puff. So you want to keep picking your hair. Now I'm going to be picking my hair for a minute, y'all. I ain't even going to front, ain't going to cap, I ain't going to lie. I like a high puff. I like for my puff to look full, and I like it to look symmetrical. So I'm going to be going around looking in my mirror at all the angles around my head because I wanted to look cute. And so right now I'm going in with this Eco Styler. I'm sorry, not Eco Styler. This is the Got to Be Glue Gel. And I'm going to be just redoing these little baby hairs because your girl wants to look cute. We want to, we want to tie the hair style together, bring everything together. We want to keep the curls popping around the perimeter, not really exposing the alopecia edges, but still making it look like, we have some hair there. So I'm just starting off at the top of the forehead. Do your baby hairs however y'all want to do them, y'all. If I'm not doing them the way y'all want them, or if y'all just want to exclude the baby hairs if you do not have alopecia edges and you're able to slick all your hair back and don't create any baby hairs, then that's fine with me. But I'm just doing what I have to do in order to make me feel comfortable so I can wear and rock my hairstyle out in public and still feel confident about myself. So this is just what I like to do and what I'm doing for my hair. All right, so as y'all can see, I'm not really like creating no finger waves or anything. I'm actually allowing the curls to curl up on their own, and that's just going to match the back of the head, and it's going to bring the front together. That way you just don't have a slick down portion of your hair in the front, and then you have the curls on the back. So you have the curls around the edges, and then you have the curls in the back of the head as well. And that just brings everything together, y'all. I think this hairstyle is so super cute. This is a go-to style. This is a style that I'm going to be doing throughout the rest of this summer. I will not be using curling irons, blow dryers, flat irons, anything that I'm going to need heat protectant to put on my hair before I style. No, man, we are not doing none of that. These are low manipulating hairstyles. Excuse me, getting a little tongue-tied. But yeah, because it's hot outside, this hairstyle is perfect for the summer, and it's even perfect for the spring. So we could rock this, for a few months. All right, and now y'all see what I'm doing. After I put the pick down, I'm just going in with my fingers, and I'm pulling just some of the individual curls so everything is not clumped together. I'm trying to bring definition and separation to each individual curl. That way it will give me fullness and volume on the top, because I am a drama queen. Your girl likes extra stuff. I just like for my hair to look full, and I like to give it a lot of height on top. So I'm just pulling these curls out, and it is turning out so cute. I just feel like a little baby doll. Like I feel like a little girl, like a little kid again. Your girl is 44 years old. Yes, I am 44 years old. I might not look it, but your girl, I ain't gonna lie, I don't feel it either. So let me not even name and claim that. Thank you, Jesus, for allowing me to see 44 years and still keep my youth. I'm trying to maintain it, and your girl, all of us women, we just have to do what we got to do in order to keep our youth. All right, so this is like looking like the final look. I'm still picking here, still fluffing, still trying to make sure my puff is perfectly how I want it. And y'all, as my hair dries throughout, the first couple hours, I am going to still keep going back in with the pick, and I'm going to keep lifting my hair to create more and more volume. I want my puff to be as big as it can possibly get, as it's drying, because I just, like I said, love volume. Y'all like this wet look? It's, big enough for y'all. You don't have to go in with the pick once it dries, but I'm sure I will. I just know me. I'm going back in with the pick. No doubt about it. But yeah, y'all, this is it. I'm so happy with this hair journey I've been on since November 2023. Last year, I did my big chop in December 2024. And my hair has grown so much. I'm excited about the growth. I'm excited for this channel. Guys, we are right around the corner from reaching our 1,000 subscriber. We are at 958 subscribers as of now. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe. Please continue to allow this channel to grow. Please support this channel. And, I have plenty of more great ideas coming to the channel, so I do not want you guys to miss out on any of the great content that I have coming. As my hair grows, I will be trying new styles. And yeah, if that's something you guys want to see, let me know in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching.